Good morning, student. Here Gopal Srivastava. I am taking you biology in subject science. Student, in previous classes, due to some technical fault, I have not completed my whole period. And student, don't worry. And in previous video, I have completed the HOTS, High Order Thinking Skill. High order thinking skill type question. This question is generally for the discussion in the classroom. Means what I am read in this question, and this make the ability to explain about the other topics and the other definitions and other things in this HOTS. So student, in your unit test first, there are some other exercises which are MCQs type, one word type, and true false type, fill in blanks type is given in the back side of your this exercises means chapter number 7. So today I will discuss the last exercises, means filling blanks, true false, match the column. Match the column is not possible in the online classes. In online unit test, I will be take a demo of online unit test and also given some revision after completing this exercise. Okay student, get ready. So let us start the write down the exercise. You will fill it in your textbook with the help of pencil. Okay student, don't write anywhere. You will write down in your textbook only. So start. Open your book, page number 124. Open student. Class 8, subject science, biology. Okay, topic formative and summative. Exercise of chapter number 7. FORMATIVE, FOR formative, and SUMMATIVE formative and summative. Assessment, ASSESSME assessments. Okay, so first MCQs question. In MCQs question number first, the species which have been lost forever are called. So student, a rare species, not endangered is not, rare extinct species and threatened species, this is included all this, but so your answer will be C. Answer number first C. You can take this. Second, Wildlife Protection Act was enacted in. Second, Wildlife Protection Act was enacted in, student, A wrong, B is right, C is wrong, and D is also. So your option will be B. Click on B. Answer number third. The Great Indian Bustard is a. Great Indian Bustard is a rare species, endangered species, vulnerable species, and threatened species. So, Great Indian bustard is a endangered species. So your answer will be B. Pick on B. Answer number 4. The red data book gives an account of endangered plant, extinct plant, endangered plants and animal, none of these. Student, it give the both plants and animal which is going to endangered. So your option will be C. Answer number 5. WWF work for WWF work for wildlife conservation. Okay, student. A. Right. B. One word. One word answer. Number 1. A wise and judicious use of all natural resources. So this is called conservation. CONSERVATION. This is called conservation. Second, the protected multi-purpose areas developed to conserve biodiversity. The protected multi-purpose areas developed to conserve biodiversity is called biosphere reserve. Biosphere, RESERVE. Write down in capital, RESERVE. Third, an area which is strictly reserved for the protection of wildlife, wild animals, that is called sanctuary. 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 Write down 4. The species which are likely to become endangered species. This is called vulnerable species. VULNERASPECIES. Species. And last, fifth. Sorry. Redevelopment of forest by planting more tree in place of the tree destroyed is called reforestation. Reforestation means the planting more sapling of trees on the deforested area. This is called reforestation. So write down in your textbook. Okay, student, I am going to erase this. Match the column C. Match the column. So A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 in column A. So you will be match it. Deforestation. I am not going to write down deforestation. Listen only, you can write down with the help of pencil in the front of the match the column. Deforestation. This is the deforestation. Conserving biodiversity, no. Jamun tree, no. Asiatic lion, no. Siberian crane, no. Lower water table. Deforestation causes lower water table. E. Second, biosphere reserve. Bio, biosphere reserve means the conserving biodiversity. A. Flora. Flora means what is the correct match column? Asiatic lion, no. Means flora means the tree, the jamun tree. B. You can write down this form. B. Endangered species. Siberian cane is the migratory tree, so Asiatic lion is C. And migratory birds, Siberian crane. D. Okay. Now I am going to completed your practice paper on page number 125. Page number 125. A. MCQs. First, which of the following is the term used for the plant found in the particular area is called flora? B. Second, which of the following is an endangered species? Asiatic lion, you have already Asiatic lion. In the match the following terms you have already known. Asiatic lion. ASIATICLION. B. Fill in the blanks. Student, please do this and learn this and practice this at your home, because same types of question will be taken in your UT first. First answer, multi-purpose reserved area developed to protect flora and fauna of that area is called biosphere reserve. Biosphere, RESER. Write down this. Answer number 2. Corbett National Park is located in Uttarakhand. This is not part the Uttar Pradesh. Uttarakhand in previous years, previous long years, they are the part of the Uttar Pradesh, but now they are splitted from Uttar Pradesh. Third, dash provides information on the endangered species of plants and animal both, means red data book give information. Red data book. Okay. Answer number 4. A species with very small population on the earth is called, very small population are found in any area, that is called rare species. RARE. Answer number 5. Last, the species found only in a particular area is known as endemic species. In ENDE, endemic species. Okay, complete it, student. I am going to rub this MCQ 1. There are 5 true or false given in the section C. C. True, false. Please practice it. Write down true or false. A national park has larger area than a biosphere reserve. Student, false. National park has larger area than a biosphere reserve. No. This is false. Biosphere reserve is the largest part of the biodiversity. So write down first false. Second, endangered species are those which are in the danger or extinction. Yes, means they will be dead in the last future. So endangered species are those which are in the danger of extinction. This is true. Third, tribal people are allowed to live in national park. No, tribal people are illiterate people. Generally, they cutted the many trees and killed the wild animals. So, keep away the tribal people from the forests and literate them. So, this is the false. Fourth, all kinds of paper can be recycled. No, false. Not all kinds. Some papers are usable again and again. Okay. And fifth, deforestation has no effect on the rainfall on that area. Student, deforestation means the cutting of the trees on the large scale. So it leads on rainfall on the particular area. So in your book this is given has no effect, deforestation. So this is the false. This leads the effect on the rainfall on the particular area. Okay. Write down this. Student, there is a puzzle word. There is a puzzle word after the end of the exercises. In examination, in the live examination in the classroom, I will ask. I am not giving the puzzle words, but I can ask the question which are given in the puzzles. Okay, I will also ask this types of question in your unit test first. So you will write down with the help of pencil in the front of the puzzle words question. Okay, I am going to rub this. DPUGGLES. DPUGGLE puzzles. PUZZLES and quiz and QUIZ. So across, ACROSS. Across means it's the parallel line. Question 1. What you will fill in the parallel line? In 1, a self, I am going to read this, a self-sustaining functional unit of biosphere. You will fill in the 9. Where is 9? Six, 3, 4, 5 8 7 1 6 7 3 4 5. Okay, student. A self-sustaining functional unit of biosphere is called, already filled in, endangered species. Okay. Second, endangered species. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 16. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Endangered. Please add ed. Dengere. Endangered. Species. Already given in your book. Into this is the one word type question. Redevelopment of a forest by planting more tree. In second, you will write down the reforestation. Reforestation. REFORES. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. In the bracket already given in the 13 words. Third, using resources without depleting it. This is 12 word answer in the third. Where is third? Yes, third. What is the word? Conservation. CONSERVATION. You can counted it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. In question how many words? Yes, 12 words. This is completed. In 4, part of the earth in which living things exist. Part of the earth in which, in 4, suitable word is biosphere. BIO in 9 word. BIOSPHERE. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Correct. Fifth, you can write this way. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. ENDANGER. 1 2 3 ENDANGER. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now you will write down the down. This is the across. And down. DOWN. means this type. 6. The species which presently exist in small number. Where is 6? Find it, student. 6. The last, the first line, down line 6. Write down this. RARESPECIES, rare species. RARE rare SPECIES. This type. This is rare species. Now, question number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 word. Non-living component of an ecosystem. 7 word. In 7. The correct answer will be, write down 7. 7 word. So what is the correct answer will be abiotic. ABIOTIC. Abiotic component. But this is the 7 word answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Last 8. Living components of an ecosystem. Living components of an ecosystem. Write down biotic. BIOTIC. Complete it in the book. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Complete it, student, in your book. Student, please change in the across self-sustaining functioning unit of biosphere, that is called across, ACROSS. This way, ECOSYS, ecosystem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 9 word. Ecosystem. Okay, write down ecosystem, self-sustaining. Ecosystem of the first 9 word, and rest questions are 2, and I hope you are all cooperate to me. Write down today's homework. Biology. Second, learn all question answer of page number, please wait student, 124, 125, 124 and 125 come all. Learn all question answer of page number 124 and 125. Okay. Now student, we will revise the syllabus, the question answer of unit test first, and please completed all the exercise of chapter number 1, 2 and 7 in your notebook, that is fair copy. Okay, but in this examination I will take only chapter number 2 and chapter number 7. You can syllabus of UT first, bio, chapter number 2 and 7. You can write down